было весной, в зеленеющем мае, когда тундра проснулась, развернулась ковром. Мы бежали с тобой, замочи вертухая, шли мы с леса повала, покати наш шаром. Лебединые стаи нам навстречу летели, нам на юг, им на север, каждый хочет свой дом. Это тундра без края, эти редкие ели, этот день без...
Не думай о секундах свысока, наступит время, сам поймешь, наверное. Свистят они, как пули у виска. Мгновение, мгновение, мгновение. Мгновение, спрессованы в года. Мгновения, спрессованы в столетия. И я не понимаю иногда, где первое мгновение, где последнее.
Careful. 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 What's careful?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
Can we give it to Marley? Get it. Get it.
Every Saturday for the last 10 months. I guess he can tag and roll. Stick his head in the roll. This is a bitch. I've never seen it. He got to the point where he's like, oh, I fucked up.
I regret this.
Oh, boy. No way to help him now. Oh, dude, send that! Oh, shit. Oh.
I am supportive of this hobby, but fuck me, if you were stumbling home drunk at 2 AM and you saw her quietly jog around a corner like this, you'd shit your pants. Oh, that was huge! I hope the military doesn't get hold of her. You know, somewhere in one of the powerful countries, there's a warmongering fuckknuckle that wants to weaponize her. There's a megalomaniac somewhere that wants to build an army of Norwegian horse girls. I don't think she should fight for any one country. She should be like an Avenger and defend Earth as a whole. Fuck yes, horse girl. Fuck yes.
My hands are shaking. No, you were...